Good morning, everyone. Honorable Minister for IT and Panchayat Raj, Ramarao Garu, Mittal Saab, Beg Saab, my friend Gopi, and the respected senior officers, Jayshanjan Saab, Acharya Saab, and Somesh Saab. Very good morning for all my friends from print and electronic media. I'm here not only to talk about the most happening startup festival the country ever witnessed, the August Fest, which we had the launch, the press meet yesterday, which many of you were there. We also talk about the other entrepreneurship events that are going to happen in Hyderabad. Sir, in fact, in the very short period of time and come to know you, I think you are a boon to the city of Hyderabad. After you have taken charge, a lot of energy, a lot of enthusiasm has come back into the vibrancy which Hyderabad is known for. Like the Nizami Hyderabadi biryani, you have really given us the taste, and we are looking forward to your other next coming days to take the Hyderabad to the next level. As many of you know, I had a organization called the Indus Entrepreneurs, the world's largest entrepreneurship body. Last December, we conducted our Entrepreneurship Summit, which is our national event. This event has been conducted for the last 12 years, but there was the first time we conducted in the city of Hyderabad. Over 1,800 seasoned entrepreneurs has visited us. And that was the first time ever there were 23 chapters worldwide that participated, and everyone, each and every person who visited Hyderabad had the 5-star remarks for that particular city of Hyderabad, HICC, the location which we had. With that, I'm very privileged to announce today, sir, our TiE Global has given TiE Hyderabad another chance to host another world-class event, is the TiE Global Retreat. It is going to host almost about 200 charter members, almost each individual, a seasoned private equity player or a venture capitalist player. They will be in the city for 3 days. So it will be a great moment for what you are doing under the T-Hub and the entrepreneurship activities and the startups. So imagine such seasoned VCs and private equity players, about 200 people with the family coming here. On that note, I have a request to Beg Saab. Sir, can we use the song which you played about the Hyderabad and also what you recited as our campaign to attract all these global players to the city of Hyderabad? Thank you, thank you. And we are hosting our TiE ISB Connect, which is our flagship event in the month of November 28th and 29th. I'm glad to announce those dates, even those dates. The event is part of the 52 event calendar. We did not disclose the dates. So in front of Honorable Minister, it's my privilege to announce the dates, November 28th and 29th of this month. So while I've been saying this, I also would like to bring upon few lacunas in the system. When we hosted TiE Summit last year, the Department of Industries, Department of IT was forthcoming in sponsoring and showing it. But following it up, the liaison took a lot of our volunteers' work and time in doing this. So if department under your guidance can have some events department under tourism or something, a nodal agency just for the events alone, to do this liaison work, be it the Atlanta Foundation's work or be it the August Fest work or be it any event which has to work with the government and the other nodal agencies, it will be great help. One of the biggest challenges, other thing which we notice is when we want to do a 50 or 100 member event, we get the problem with the PPL licenses. So if something could be worked on that aspect as well, it will be a real boost to the event industry and to do the events in the Hyderabad. And last but not least, I worked closely with was part of some meetings with the Events Now team. My heart goes out to every person of the Events Now team Congratulations, guys. You have done a fantastic job in 2 days to put up a mobile app and a website. This thing is, he's an entrepreneur. So entrepreneur rocks. God bless all the entrepreneurs. God bless the city of Hyderabad. Let the vibrancy of Hyderabad come back. Thank you.